For more information related to the civil engineering concepts and civil engineering updates, please visit my website civilbasics123.com. Go to type civilbasics123.com in Google so that my website will be open here like this. So which is consisting of all detailed concepts related to the civil engineering topics. So please follow my website civilbasics123.com. In this video lecture, I will explain you designing of medium rise building which is of 12 stories by using ETABS software. Okay, so I was already done my modeling process and analysis process for that respected 12-story building. So basically the building structure which is comes under 6 to 12 stories, generally we will call it as medium rise building. Firstly, I will show you the model in ETABS software. So click on the ETABS software here. So this is my building model which is consisting of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 number of the lines in x direction, and y direction will be consisting of 5 number of the lines. Okay, so firstly I will show you the property for the building structure which is related to the G+11 story building structural model. So go to define option. So for this building I was consider the M30 grade concrete and HYSD of 500 grade steel. Okay, so click on the define option. Again I was consider the frame section which is consisting of beam size of 0.45 cross 0.65 and column size of 0.8 cross 0.5. Okay, again the slab thickness I was taken approximately equal to 150 mm. Okay, so in this video I will explain you how to design this respective structure by using ETABS software. Okay, so before that, initially we need to add the strip condition system for the building structure. So for the slab, go to edit option. For that, select add edit grid strips option, click on add strips option. Okay, so firstly I am selecting the story number 12 which is consisting of the grid direction is X with layer is A. Click on apply option so that it will apply the grid which is related to the 12th story. So again in the same process we have to apply the strip condition system for the Y direction with the strip layer is B. Click on apply option so that it will apply the strip layer for the respected Y direction condition also. Now you can see here the pink color mark indicates your respective strip condition system in both X direction as well as the Y direction condition. So in the same process we have to apply the strip condition system for the rest of the story number from the 11th to 1st story. Okay. So after applying all the strip condition system, we need to click on OK option here. Now we have to analyze the structure again. Go to click on run analysis option so that it will do the analysis process for the respected building structure under considerations of the strip condition systems. So this is a deflection diagram under considerations of the strip condition system. Now we have to design the structure. Go to concrete frame design, click on view revised preferences, select IS 456 code, click on OK. Again in the same process we have to select this respected option again we have to click on the start design check option so that it will start designing for your respected beam sections and column section for the building structure under considerations of the IS 456 2000 code. So now we can see this is the longitudinal reinforcement value for the respected different types of the beams and column section. Now we have to design the slab section. Go to click on the slab designing section. So click on the view revisor preferences, select IS 456 codal provision from this respected value. Now we have to select the number of the stories. So select this option again we have to select the story to design. This time selecting all the stories from this respected value, click on OK option. So again in the same process click on the start design check. Okay, so that it will doing the start designing check for the respected building structure of 12 story under considerations of the IS 456 2000 code provisions. So now we can see this is the top and bottom reinforcement intensity for the slab section under consideration. So now we have to save this model. So Control S option, otherwise you can directly save through the file option, save as option. So here I am selecting my folder which is related to the just I am taking here as MED. So normal building, click on save option so that it will save the model till the analysis process and the designing process. Now we have to do the detailing process in CSI detailing software. So for that firstly we have to close this option. So now we have to open the CSI detailing. Just I am selecting the CSI detailing version. So now we have to initially import the model which is done by using ETABS 18 version software. This is the extension for ETABS software. So for that firstly we have to click on the file option, select the new detailing option. So in this we need to select the model option initially. Just I am selecting medium normal building. So initially the model will be open in ETABS 18 version software. After opening process is done, then it will be directly imported to detailing version. Okay, in the detailing process you can do the detailing for the slab section, beam section, column section under considerations of your respected specifications. Now the model is importing the data which is of medium rise building related to the grid sections, story section, joint sections as well as the frame sections and shell sections. So click on OK option. So now we have to select the detailing units option initially from this. So select the units will be of ton option for the respective rebar weight, and we have to select the force units will be in kilonewton. Click on OK option. Again we have to select the preferences option as per the IS 456 2000 code. Click on OK. Concrete detailing preferences, you can select any one of the option from this respective property. So just I am changing the label name is B option here for the beam and C option here for the column and depth option for the wall. Click on OK option. Select the concrete display preferences. You can select the option for the respected specifications. Just I am selecting rebar rules option here and change the values of your respected minimum spacing and maximum spacing. So here I am taking minimum spacing is 120, maximum is 450. Again for the beam, just I am taking minimum spacing is 150 value here. Again this is also 150 value. This is also 150 value. And this value will be comes under the 450, 450, 450. Again I am selecting column. Just I am selecting the minimum spacing option is 150 value here. Again this is the 450 value here. Click on OK option. So now we have to select the default drawing option as per your consideration. Just I am selecting OK option so that it will start detailing for the different types of the slab sections and different types of the beam sections and different types of the column section under consideration. Okay, you can select any one of the option from this value. So this is the floor plan for the respective slab. This is the A section, this is the B section. Just I am selecting rebar plan option so that it will load the rebar plan for the respective section. This is the top rebar plan option and this is the bottom rebar plan option and this is the all rebar plan option for the consideration. In the same process you can select the strip views option. Just I am selecting this respective strip view for the slab section. This is the reinforcement strip view. Directly I am selecting reinforcement cage view. Okay, so that it will load the 3D representation of the reinforcement value for the slab. So this is the 3D representation of the reinforcement values which is consisting of the top reinforcement bars and bottom reinforcement bars for the slab section under consideration. Okay, in the same process we have to see the beam results. Just I am selecting concrete beams. Just I am selecting elevation, select any one of the beam. So here as per the consideration it is not showing the no bars option here for the beams. Okay, so due to presence of the higher amount of the load cases system, the no bar option is showing for the respected beam section. Okay, again in the same process just I am selecting the column, concrete column one. So in the column section also it is not showing any kind of the reinforcement bars option. Okay, due to the presence of the higher amount of the load cases, the reinforcement bars are failing here. Okay, due to that reason it is not applicable for the respected section under consideration. Okay, so in this, so that's why we need to consider only the reinforcement values which is comes under the rebar cage view. Okay, so in my upcoming video I will explain you how to reduce how to get this no rebar value to number of rebar value for the beam section, column section by using CSI detailing version. Okay, if you have any queries about this respected video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for that respected questions. Thank you.